about just what he says the LAPD will do to you if you complain about misconduct by other cops.
They get what they call a jacket. And they wear that jacket all the way through the rest of their career. Phone calls are made. Interdepartmental correspondence is done to discredit the officer, to attack his credibility and his honesty, and basically they do a character assassination on you.
Former Officer Bob Krupe spent 34 years with the LAPD. As he explained to our legal analyst Robin Sachs, he actually went to 6 different boards of rights hearings. Those are those disciplinary hearings over his career, ranging from allegations of false reports to being discourteous to civilians. He was exonerated, has the boxes of transcripts of all his battles with the department, but in another case, like other officers we've spoken with, he says department brass then and now covers up misconduct. He was ultimately found guilty in a shooting that violated LAPD policy. He was suspended for that incident, would later retire. Now, his case goes back to the late 80s, but he says he's still bitter, and like many others, he's been watching what's happened since ex-cop Christopher Dorner's widely publicized allegations that he was mistreated by his own department. Krupe says it continues, and it's not just about one cop's complaints, but in a very real sense, it's a bigger story about the public's confidence in the police. Here's how our legal analyst Robin Sachs looks at it.
I think when you have law enforcement officers whose job is to judge other people's behavior, convict other people, put people in jail, and they themselves are being mistreated by that same machine, it changes the whole system of justice for those in Los Angeles. And that is why these cases are so important.
Now, Chief